Hi, I'm Paul Mueller with the Airlift Company. Airlift is a Lansing, Michigan-based manufacturer of load support and full performance air suspension products. We've been in business since 1949, and our product is made here in the United States. We make a load support product for the light-duty pickup trucks and any vehicle that pulls a heavy load. Most of our product is a supplemental. Most OEM vehicles are not designed to really pull heavy loads for the trailers and work truck applications. Most are designed to ride very comfortably when you purchase them or test drive them off the showroom floor. But whenever you need to use them for your work applications or towing, sometimes the suspension is not as heavy duty as we find it should be. That's where Airlift comes into play. We make several different products for the half-ton application and for the 3/4 ton and 1 ton application, which will add more spring rate to the vehicle. With the push of the button, you can add more spring rate to take out the porpoising and the diving and to make that vehicle a safer, more comfortable ride. Along with the air springs, we make a full line of control systems. Our control systems can be, with the push of the button, you can add spring rate to the vehicle. We make them anywhere from your analog type control units to your fully digital wireless control systems. No longer do you have to run airline in through the firewall to make your connections or to mount the big heavy control panels underneath your dash. We now have control systems that are totally wireless, using a wireless manifold that would be mounted underneath the frame rail with your compressor. It's easy to install. From an installation standpoint, installers love the ease of installation. Consumer standpoint, they love to be able to operate the controller and bring it up to their eyes when they may be challenged with eyesight problems. And no longer do you need to mount the big, heavy, bulky control systems inside the vehicle. This could be mounted on the visor or put in the armrest console or glove box. You can now step outside the vehicle and actually make your adjustments from outside the vehicle. A great product and a great advance in airspring technology. Our control systems do work with all airspring brands. But of course we have the air springs to go with them. Another product that Airlift has is our full air suspension product. It's a performance suspension product. One of the components is a full air strut. This allows for the vehicle to be adjusted in ride height. An example would be somebody that has a Mustang that might be their daily driver. They may want to race this car on the weekends and take it to the tracks and to throw on the race tires and lower the suspension to lower the center of gravity. These new air products can actually lower the suspension and lower the center of gravity with the push of the button. They bolt right into place, manage all 4 corners, and we also have some really great control systems to go with that. Airlift has recently introduced the Autopilot V2 control system. What's really unique about this control system is instead of having separate manifolds and a separate ECU, we use this separate or this combined manifold where it's all in one with manifold and ECU all in one. Along with that is the tethered controller that is easy to operate. It's totally configurable. It's configurable by example would be you can set this to automatically bring you to ride height when you turn on the key. You can set it for different pressures, for different weights. The display is totally configurable by color. It's a smart system that actually learns your suspension. So some great technologies, some great advancements in air springs from both performance and from a load support characteristics. Airlift, again, a Lansing-based company. All information is available at www.airliftcompany.com, where you can now access our load support and our performance sites. Thank you.